Hello guys, so today we're going to cook and we are going to make egg rolls, chicken egg rolls. Okay, so what we're going to need are butter. I always use the salted butter so that way I don't have to put salt later on. So I have some scallions that I've chopped up. Also, I have baby bella mushrooms, onions, and chicken that I marinated yesterday. So these are chicken breasts that I've cut into cubes, and I marinated it overnight with some lime juice, ground black pepper, and garlic salt. Okay guys, so I preheated the pan. It's always just on low heat, and it's warm now, so we can put butter. I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of butter and just put it there. So let's let it melt for a little bit. So the butter is melted. Now this is the chicken that I marinated last night. You don't necessarily need to marinate it overnight, but I just did it because I was tired and it was already late. So after I cut up the chicken breast, alright, so it's hot now. Let's put this in. And technically, I should saute the onions first, but I'm not gonna do that today. So I'll put in the onions with the chicken. Okay. And then, well, normally you would, wait until like the chicken is cooked a little bit, but since I'm using my salad master, I'm just gonna dump everything. Okay, so we've got our mushrooms, and then we got scallions. So just leave it there. Mix it up a little bit. Now we don't really need to put anything else in here because the chicken already has the marinade. But I like to add a little bit of extra seasonings because I'm extra. So what I like to use is this wood-fired garlic. It's hardwood smoked flavor from So we just add a few dashes here and there. Okay. And then also some Chilimansi. And then we'll add a little bit of BBQ sauce. So, it's up to your taste, but I just like to add some like that. And then afterwards, well, let's give it a little mix. Just a little bit of a mix. Cover it until it's finished. Now, one way to know that it's finished is when the vapor valve starts clinging. So it starts making that clinking sound. So that's when you know that it's cooked. Okay, so we're gonna leave it on for about 10 minutes and then we'll open it back up. Okay guys, so it is cooked. Turn it down. Smells good. Okay. It would have smelled better if you saute the onions first. I think you should definitely caramelize the onions first. But either way, it's still gonna cook it. Okay, so turn this off. Alrighty. And then we're just gonna let it cool for about 30 minutes before we wrap it. So I'm gonna let it cool. Actually, so there's a little bit of water in here, so I'm gonna drain that first. But yeah, I'll drain it first and then let it cool for about half an hour, and then we'll get right into rolling it. Today we're going to wrap the Eggrolls because yesterday was a fail. The wrappers that I had defrosted got really soggy, so I couldn't use them, so I had to get new ones. But yeah, so we're gonna do wrappers today. And then I had put the chicken in the fridge to cool overnight, and then we have cheese over here, so we're gonna use cheese. And this cheese is shredded Mexican style. And of course, as our sealant, we have a little bit of cornstarch water. Let's get started. So I'm actually going to double wrap this. Okay, alright. Some chicken. Okay, so this Eggroll, you can make it as big or as small as you want, but this size today. It's kind of like a mini burrito. We are double wrapping it. Make sure that you put cornstarch in the other layer too. Finished with the Eggrolls. So I was able to make it. Okay, so now we're going to fry it. Okay guys, so while the Eggrolls are frying, we're going to make a sauce. We're going to make a dipping sauce. You don't necessarily need to make a dipping sauce, but to each their own. You know? I like to make dipping sauces. So I've already pre-cut about half a pound of cream cheese, and I'm putting it in this blender container. Okay, we're going to add about half a cup of heavy cream. And then we'll do about a quarter cup of milk. about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 tablespoon of garlic salt, and we'll sprinkle some salt. Tablespoon of sugar. Okay, so close this up. And we blend it. Limey. Okay, we're ready. So you can also add, some cilantro, parsley, and scallions, but we're just gonna keep it simple today. So this is our cream sauce. It's our lime cream sauce. Okay guys, so while the rest of these are still cooking, they should be done soon, but this is what they look like. Technically you could use tortillas and wrap it in tortillas, but for this one I just use the regular egg roll wrapper. So that's what they look like. And I pre-cut one of them. So this is what it looks like on the inside if you cut it in half. And then this is the dipping sauce that I just made a little while ago. Okay, so we're gonna try and see what it tastes like. I'm gonna dip it here. Tastes pretty good. So try it and see what you guys think.